In this video, we are going to look at two other ways to express concentrations as percentages, which would be the parts per million, or ppm, and parts per billion, or ppb. These units are used to describe the concentration of substances which are present in very, very, very small amounts in solution. And like the previous calculations we did, the units and masses must match. So for ppm, we're going to do the mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution and multiply it by 1,000,000. And for ppb, we're going to do the same, mass of solute divided by mass of solution, but we are going to multiply it by 1,000,000,000. Our first example then asks us to calculate the ppm of estradiol, a reproductive hormone found in the birth control pill, if 3.0 milligrams of estradiol is found in 300 kilograms of drinking water. First, we need to convert so that we've got the same units, because right now we've got milligrams and kilograms. So the easiest thing to do is to convert both to grams, and that will make our calculation easier. So for our 3 milligrams, we know that there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So this is the same as saying 3.0 times 10 to the negative 3 grams. For kilograms, there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So this is the same as saying 300 times 10 to the 3 grams. Or, putting that in right scientific notation, would be 3.0 times 10 to the 5 grams. Now that we've got the same units, we can do our ppm calculation. So our solute is our estradiol, 3.0 times 10 to the negative 3 grams. And we're going to divide it by our 3.0 times 10 to the 5 grams, and then multiply this by 1,000,000. Doing this calculation then gives us 0.010 ppm. Our second example asks us to determine the amount of carbon monoxide in a room that holds 1,000 kilograms of air if a carbon monoxide detector reads 0.65 ppb. So, again, it's probably easiest if we take this kilograms and put it into grams. And so 1,000 kilograms is going to be 1,000 times 10 to the 3 grams, or 1, 2, 3, so that's going to be 1 times 10 to the 6 grams. So setting up our ppb, we know that that's equal to the mass of our carbon dioxide, so we don't know what that is yet, over the mass of our solution, which is 1 times 10 to the 6 grams. And we're multiplying that by 1,000,000,000, which is the same as saying 1 times 10 to the 9. And so we know our ppb is 0.65. Now what we want to do here is solve for the mass of our carbon dioxide gas. So that is going to be 6.5 times 10 to the negative 4 grams. Now you can leave it like this, that's fine. If you want to change it to milligrams, you can as well. And so in milligrams, it would be 0.65 milligrams.